Guys, welcome to Tech Overloaded. In this video, I will show you how to solve the Chrome error. The application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect. Let's get to the solution. Click on Start and search for Reddit. Right-click on it and run as administrator. Click Yes. Click on HKey local machine, then software. Then go to Microsoft, and then click on Microsoft and then find Windows. Click on any of the file and press the W key to find Windows. Here you can find Windows, click on it. In Windows, select current version, click on it. In current version, select side by side. Side by side, click on it. Click on winners. Here find x86 policy 9.0. Here you can see x86 policy 9.0 VC. We have to find VC CRT. Yes, click on it. Click on 9.0. Expand this section. Now you have to copy this value. Click on rename. Click on copy and then click on default. Right click on default, modify, and then paste to it. Click OK and then search for Microsoft Visual C++ on another browser. Here I'm using Opera browser. Click on it. Search for Microsoft Visual C++. Here, click on it. Click on this link on the from the Microsoft official website. I just click the link. It the download has automatically started. Save. It's downloading, as you can see. I am using the Visual C++. It is distributable 2015 version. Now I think I have downloaded the file. Now click to agree. So it's showing me error because I have already downloaded my PC. As you can see, another version of the product is already installed. I can show it again so you guys can easily see it. I click on agree, click on install, and showing the same error because I have already installed. It will not show it to you because you have not done it on your PC. If your problem is still not fixed, it's the last solution and a 1000% working solution. Go to the browser. I'm using Opera. Expand it and then click Chrome download. Chrome web browser download. Click on Chrome download. Yes, click it. Click here. Download Google Chrome. Download Chrome. It will automatically fix all of the errors which are disturbing you. Download Chrome manually. Save. It's downloaded here. open it. This will take few seconds and then you can see boom. Now open it. Congratulations, your error has been solved. Thank you for watching the video.